Just to download and install Python on Windows 11 is quite simple. So to install the latest version, just open up any browser and type in for Python, download, and hit enter. So here you can see download Python manager. So it would download this one. And just go, once it is downloaded, just go and open it up. And it could take a bit of a time to open it up. So now it says this one, just go and click on install Python. And just go and click on buy, hit enter, click on yes. It again says add commands directly to your path. Click on press Y and yes, enter, hit enter. It says install C Python. Again buy, hit enter, installing Python. Again wait for a bit. So you can see it is first downloaded the latest Python version. And again, just go and buy and hit enter. And just go and click OK, whatever. And now the Python is completely installed. So if I go and close this, and now if I go in the search and type in for command prompt and open it, and if I now type in Python and dash dash version, hit enter, you can see here it is. So it was quite simple. Now with the Python manager, you can simply install that on Python on Windows 11. So hope this video has helped you out. But before you go, please like the video.